Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John.
And I'm Curtis.
And today is day 7. Hold up 7. There you go. Day 7 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So we've had some unique and different gifts from Jenny this year. And appreciate the comments and things that you all have said. And today we reached 600 subscribers. How amazing is that? Thank you all, each and every one of you. Continue to tell your friends and family. But thank you, each and every one of you. We really, really, really appreciate that. So you weren't here yesterday, so you want to open one today?
Sure.
So this is Jenny's, day 7. And let's see what we got.
I always seem to open the charm packs.
Ah, the charm pack. So this is a Kona Cotton Solid charm pack. It's called the Starlight Color Story. And it's actually, it's, yeah, it looks like just 3 colors, which is kind of unusual. It is 42 pieces. It's a Robert Kaufman, but it is...
like a sky blue.
Yeah, mint.
Sort of. It's like a blue mint.
Yeah, so mint color.
Pink.
Pink. Right?
Yeah.
And then red. So I think for us coming up, probably would be really cool for Valentine's.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't think I'd use this necessarily for Christmas colors.
Yeah, you could do mid-century.
Yeah, I guess if we were doing mid-century, we could. So, but it's interesting that it is only 3 colors. But we will definitely find a purpose and a place for this because you can never have too much fabric. Isn't that right? Curtis agrees. You could never have too much fabric. So
no comment.
No comment. Oh, Curtis. He likes picking out fabric, though, when we go to the store.
That's what I do the majority of the time. That's how I contribute. I pick out a lot of the fabric. I do a lot of the eyeing of things. I'm really good with color and texture and design and matching things like that. So although I don't really make the quilts, I do help design a lot of the quilting designs that you see from the fabric. So.
And he freely shares his opinions and thoughts.
I do.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, he does. So that is day 7, Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We appreciate you dropping in, seeing what we think and what's going on. And until next time, I'm John.
And I'm Curtis.
And happy crafting.
Happy crafting.